I really should have just left my hair down the way it was in the beginning instead of trying to be fancy and put my hair up all crazy. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. So today I'll be doing a very exciting video. So if you watched my last video, I was debating if I should get a Louis Vuitton purse or a Gucci purse. And so yeah, it was like a very hard decision because I was like, I want Louis Vuitton, but then I was like, I've never had a Gucci bag, so I went ahead and got a Gucci bag. So I ordered it online. It literally took like 2 days to get here, and it comes in this bag, and it comes all like in a tie. So open it up, and if you saw the bag, it comes in this bag here. So don't mind my hair. I'm like looking at my hair right now. I'm just like, oh my goodness, I do not like my hair today. Anyways, so it comes in here, and it comes with this envelope. Open it up. It says Gucci. And it comes with, like, if I want to send it back, the barcode and all the information. And I did like send myself, like, I made it like a gift to myself. And I just put this. I thought this was the cutest thing. Gucci, dreams do come true, Tanya Ponce. Thought that was the cutest thing ever. Okay, so let's open this up. How pretty, oh my goodness. It comes in this dust bag. So pretty. I love this type of material. It's like silk, really nice. And it's the pink one. I really wanted a pink purse, so this one is so pretty. So the only thing, I did open it up. I think this one was like in the store where people, you know, like on the stand or something, because I did notice like scratches on it. Like there's a couple of scratches. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, right here. So you can see this. And I know it's very tiny, but it's like, I can still notice it. It's kind of like a pet peeve of mine. Like, and then this one here, just a little focus on it. Yeah, so there's like a little scratch right here, and there's like scratches right here. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna send it back and exchange it. So sad because I'm like, I want to wear it already. So I'm a little sad about it, but I love this purse, and it's like a perfect size. It's not too big. And then it comes with the chain. Take this out. So I'm definitely probably gonna go in the store because I'm a little nervous to send it back in the mail. Probably gonna just go in the store. So it comes with this chain here. And then inside, oh, I forgot to show you guys. The heart is so cute. And the inside, it's like suede, really nice. And then it has like the stamp of Gucci. It's really nice. And then also it has this too. So I guess you can put like your wallet or something on here. I'm not sure. And then you can take this off too if you wanted to take it off and use it like a little clutch. You can take this off right here. So it's super cute. I think I just need to exchange it to like really love my bag. But let me show you guys how it looks on. So I literally took off that hair tie off my head. I was just, I don't know if you've ever had those days where just not feeling your hair. This is one of those days. So anyways, I'm just gonna leave it down. When you try something new, it's just like, it just never works out. But anyways, so I really loved my purse. I just didn't like that it, you know, had those little scratches. I mean, I spent a little bit of money on it, so I wouldn't want any scratches on it because that's the first thing I look at. So I'm going to exchange it. I really like this purse, so I'm going to exchange it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. I love getting, love seeing your guys' comments. You guys really pump me up to do more videos like these. And comment below what videos you guys would like to see next. And thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye.